So this is what I'm going to call my before video. Yeah, I know I'm going to get some hate, but that's okay. Let me turn around and show you for real. This is my 1988 Harley-Davidson FXRS, basically, because it has the Sportster front end. If you have a Sportster, you recognize that front end. Otherwise, it's the big V-twin, so 80 inch, yeah, 80 inch. And it looks like it's in pretty rough shape. It's because it is in pretty rough shape. Because when my days of pretending to be a biker ended, well, it just kind of sat out there. Kind of heartbroken that certain bikers have to be complete jerks, and they kind of scared me away from the hobby. Now, not all of them are like that, but you know, you get your life threatened a few times, and it kind of takes away some of the fun, a lot of the fun. Let me zoom in on a few things. Yeah, some grunge. Yeah, terrible seat. It actually has another seat that goes there that I've taken inside. My wife calls it the couch. The seat was in actually worse shape than it is now because, well, it's the bottom part. But I kind of made it work. Oh, here comes the car. And let's see, it looks like I've got a leaky seal on that fork tube, so I need to replace that. Some other stuff, but you know, it's a good bike though. Actually, let me start it up for you. Yes, it actually runs. Freaky, right? All right, let's see. Let me get it into neutral. Come over here. Oh, I'm always putting my finger over the lens. Sorry about that, folks. And yep, it runs. Not too shabby, huh? Been sitting for probably 3 years. The only real problem it had running was the gas had gotten varnish in it. You probably can't even hear me because it's so loud. Maybe not. I'm gonna turn it off now. It wants to giddy up and go, man. Ooh, let's see, do I have that? I should turn the gas off. There we go. So yeah, there it is. And I'm gonna call this my before video because I'm gonna start cleaning it up little by little. You know, don't expect there to be, you know, one long 2-hour video where I take, you know, your typical, oh, found sitting for 3 years, will it run? And then by the end of the video they're driving 500 miles. No, that's not gonna happen. But what I will do is I'll shoot videos as I work on it, and if they're short, I'll either wait and compile them or I'll post shorts. But anyways, this is not going to be a long video. Just wanted to heads up everybody. My next project. Oh, and if you're wondering about the Ford 9-inch, yes, parts are still coming. They actually should be here this week. So for the center section, I'll start working on that and I'll video that for you. Anyway, that's all for now. Y'all have a great week and stay safe.